Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Walking north from the MGM Grand Corner, this stretch of Las Vegas Boulevard is lined with dense clusters of retail spots built directly into the frontage of Showcase Mall. The shop fronts here range from clothing outlets to fast food counters, each designed to catch foot traffic moving between the major resorts. Brands like Skechers, Lids, and other street-level shops sit at the base of the tall facade with bright signage marking each entrance. The mix is eclectic. Everyday footwear and apparel stores positioned right next to quick-service food places, ticket booths, and kiosks selling Las Vegas merchandise. This short run of shops acts as a lead-in to larger themed attractions further up the block, with the path naturally guiding visitors towards one of the Strip's most recognizable candy destinations, the M&M store.
What's the difference?
The M&M store rises ahead as one of the signature retail landmarks of this section of Las Vegas Boulevard. It spans multiple floors, each level dedicated to different parts of the brand's long history and merchandising empire. The exterior displays the familiar characters in oversized form set against a tall glass frontage that reveals the colorful interior beyond. Inside, the first floor focuses on core merchandise, branded clothing, accessories, and collectibles featuring the full lineup of M&M's characters. The design here follows the bright color palette associated with the candy itself, with displays arranged to maximize the visual impact from the street-facing windows. Higher levels expand the experience. One floor is dedicated to the wall-to-wall dispensing tubes, where visitors can see an extensive range of M&M's varieties arranged in tall transparent cylinders that stretch across the room. The selection includes the classic colors along with themed or limited edition blends depending on the season. Another floor showcases M&M's memorabilia, packing history, and specialty products created specifically for this flagship store. The upper levels also includes interactive branding zones, custom merch stations, and displays that highlight the evolution of the characters used in the advertising campaigns over the decades. Each floor is built to stand alone as its own section, but all of them connect vertically through the open atriums designed so visitors can look across multiple levels at once. This location is one of the largest M&M retail sites in the world and serves as both a shop and brand exhibition. The building's scale, layered layout, and themed presentation makes it a notable attraction along the strip, a dedicated showcase for a single product turned into a multi-level experience in the center of Las Vegas.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.